begin with contestant number 1, Miss Mariah Tausala. Hi Mariah, how are you? How are you feeling so far? Good? Good. Okay Mariah, reaching to the time off for your question.
You can just hold this down.
Our pageant theme is reflections. My legacy, my future, my story. Mariah, here is your question. Where do you see yourself in the next 10 years? Where do you see yourself in the next 10 years?
To answer the question, where I believe I would be in the next 10 years, I'll be 26. I believe that I'll have finished college. I'll have graduated college, and I'll be on my way to having an established career in chemical engineering, and I'll have served a mission for my church, the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. And then I would like to continue to be involved in the Samoan community no matter what way, and that's where I think I would be in the next 10 years. Thank you.
Thank you, Mariah.
Are you just leaning back?
Contestant number 2, Frankie Tausala Wanamaker. Hi, Miss Frankie. How are you? How are you feeling so far?
Manuia lava pa'apetai.
Go ahead and draw a question. Reaching to the time off.
That's your cousin.
Reflections. My legacy, my future, my story. Here is your question. Why should you be the next Miss Tausala, Missouri?
This is literally like the worst.
Why should you be the next Miss Tausala, Missouri?
Thank you very much for that question. Growing up, I would always come to the Tausala pageants. I was about 10 years old the first time we had the pageant, and I always would look up to the girls on the stage and say, I want to be that girl, and I want to represent my culture in a pageant where I can represent my favorite things to do, such as speaking and doing a Tausala. And I thank you for the question.
Contestant number 3, Miss Josephine Twimasebe. Chelsea, how are you? How are you feeling? Go ahead and draw a question. Reflections. My legacy, my future, my story. Here is your question. The theme of the pageant is reflections. My legacy, my future, my story. How does this theme relate to your life?
Thank you for the question. This thing relates to my life. Can you repeat that? I'm sorry.
Let's give Josie another try. The theme of the pageant is reflections. My legacy, my future, my story. What does this theme mean to you?
Thank you. Yeah.
That's a different.
This thing means to me, for me to do better in life. I've done some things that I regret, but I can get better, and I do better. And
question.
Yes.
Thank you. Contestant number 4, Miss Kylie White. So Kylie, how you feeling?
I'm feeling amazing.
Great. Okay, go ahead. Reflection. My legacy, my future, my story. What is your definition of success? What is your definition of success?
Thank you for such a beautiful question. To me, success is trying your hardest for something that you want, and also trying your hardest for your parents and your family, because I know they always want you to do well. And I mean, success, it kind of also goes with this Tausala. I know I'm trying my hardest, and no matter what, I know that I have reached success because I tried my hardest for my grandparents and my family who took time out of their day to help. And so that's what success is to me, is to help and do hard work for your family.
Thank you, Kylie. And our final contestant, Miss Salome Kunga. Hello, how are you? Good, good. Go ahead. They say the best for us. Reflections, my legacy, my future, my story. Here is your question. If you are crowned Miss Tausala, Missouri 2014, what ways will you use your platform to benefit other young women? If you are crowned Miss Tausala, Missouri 2014, what ways will you use your platform to benefit other young women?
Thank you for the question. If I were to be crowned Miss Tausala, Missouri 2014, I think I would want to get the youth back together like it was back in the day. Like, you know, have Fiafia nights so we used to, and have like everybody dance for Black Day. Just get the youth together back in the community so we can have fun again. Because I feel like it kind of died down. But that's what I would do if I was to become Miss Tausala 2014.
That, ladies and gentlemen, completes our category of the interview. Now, will the judges